Pupunta na kami ng NSTP and yeah, let's make a vid.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
So yun, NSTP day ako sa inawan ko lang. Tapos punta na kami UST, medyo late pero okay lang. Natulog kasi siya sagad. Pagod ka gabi.
Just woke up.
Yun, on the way na. Kita nyo naman, napakalinis pa rin ang daanan kahit medyo may araw na sinag. So yun, mamaya na lang.
We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly.
Nandito na kami sa Trinoma. Bali, sasahin na papuntang US dito. Sana di kami malate kasi sobrang dilim ng kuha ko ngayon pero wala akong pakit. Doon rin-serve mo kami for the first time. Napakabait mo naman. Ang init. So ayun, nasa bus na kami. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano na mangyayari pagkarabas na ito. Ang cute ng bus. Konti pa lang yung mga kagrupo ko pero narating na siguro sila mamaya-maya.
Driving towards the sun with a rose and a
Oh shit, ang dilim! Oh no! Pero kita yan, promise. Dali. Pakita mo sila parang kumain ng hotdog.
Una, initial engagement, social investigation, drawing up of solutions.
Intro. Ba't tumidilim?
Individual yun. Then, yung group finals ninyo, final requirements ninyo ay magazine. Magazine na kung saan nakasama dun lahat ng mga ginawa natin nung first semester. So, compilation yun ng mga gawain natin simula dun sa pagpunta nyo sa mga iba't ibang barangay, iba't ibang institution, pagpunta sa Lumad, ano pa ba mga ginawa natin? Sa TRRM. And then, May 7, yung on-campus fieldwork natin. So, dito tayo sa UST, Intensive DRRM. Para alam niyo yung time, yung specific venue, tsaka ako ng mga dadali.
Tayo lang masaya dito.
Uy,
Uy, kumakuy. Ako sa mga tao eh.
Dan, magay ka sa labas. Dan.
Estudyante lang.
Kita tayo sa labas din.
Wala akong pakit.
Tumawa sila, lagot sa'yo. Kami lang masaya dito. Ano ba?
Ayaw mo na sa video yun.
Mag-interview natin. Ay, yung mga kabas natin. Ayos lang.
Wabog. Wala na tayong mga kabayan. Go Nick!
Yun lang yung memorize ko eh.
Go Nick! Go Nick!
Wala naman.
Yan! Kanta lang!
Hello?
Kanta ka lang!
Tangay, pasa mo daw sa likod. Dali, Nick.
Ayoko na.
Dali, Nick, pakitaan mo.
Guys, dyan ka dyan sa'yo. Uy!
Ako na yan.
Shy type
Oo,
kasi.
syempre.
Oh, si Jerry. Isa mo to ko, Jerry.
Dali. Uy, dali.
Dito na.
KJ. Di mamaya no, pagpauwi.
Tour guide na lang. Hindi na
Pakisabi na lang. Mahal ko siya. Minsan lang yan. Dali, idol.
Mamaya sa may bastos.
Di, ngayon na.
Don't touch my birdie na lang, sir.
Dali, di. Wala ka namang magawa eh.
Oh my garlic bread and a pepperoni.
Ayaw. Ayaw na.
Patay nga natin.
Wala, ayaw. Mr. Subway. Nahiya.
Ikaw naman.
Ina mo. Ayoko nang mahiwala para sa'yo. Handa akong magpakamatay cause now I love my pizza pie. Yes, ang asawa.
Ano, ikaw pinanta mo.
Pangina niya lang.
Ayaw mo.
Ah,
Ayaw mo.
Nandun yung love letter namin isa rin mga kapatid.
Amazing, and we entered their territory for shortcut. Idol namin yan. Idol na idol namin yan.
sige mo, panarin natin.
May kumakanta din. Level is getting sleepy and sleepier as time passes by, but yeah, we're almost there, I guess, because we are Antipolo, and yeah, I don't know what to do now. Probably gonna sleep. So that guy is still awake. Yeah, don't know what to do. So, dito na kami. Kaya, antok ako. Ang ganda. Ganda rin naman ang background. Sobrang nature. Sobrang green. There's one more neighborhood stop. Million people in the world. I choose you.
Tanga.
Landi ng bebe ko.
Out of the 7 billion people in this world, there's only you.
Let's go, engineering.
Wait,
Sama natin.
Ito yung ito yung mundo ng mga taga rito. Dito mo yan. Ngayon yung mga maraming tao. Sobrang dami.
Unang mata pa, patay ah.
Ito yung daan.
Joke lang isa pa.
Meron na pre.
Uy, harang kayo sa daan. Kaya ano ngayon?
Ay, tama na. So, ayun yun, dinadaanan namin. Masyado siyang bato-bato. Pero okay rin. Hindi man yan.
Wala pa ba?
Mahaba-haba na rin. Parang
Napakalayo na. May gugulong mamaya dito sa sabi. Mukhang may absent sa PGC namin ah. Sugatan din.
wow, may
linis
may
naman.
creek. Creek, hi creek.
La,
Usta. Gusto ko magsalita. Kaso hindi ko lang sasabihin ko.
hi da.
At yun, simple lang mga bahay. At sobrang rural. Walang background.
Rural.
Rural, bingi.
Rural. Galit ka?
Kaya nga, galit to eh. Yan, pag nakita niya si UST, yung mga yan, naku, takbo na yan. Ayan, lahat yan, grupo namin. Ayan, syempre ako. Di ba, napa ako ka. DJ's life. Nasa pataas, yung pag-hike. Pero okay lang. Ayos pa rin. Still good, bro. Still good, bro.
Tinanong ko lang kapag kung may parental
Bawal magturo, kaya praise them. Praise. Yeah, boys. So, we are halfway there, I guess. Still tiring. Sorry.
Wala naman tayo.
Hi, Dan. Hi, Dan. Tingin. Dan. Mapapamous ni Dan. I'm assuming that this is the destination. And, yeah. Yes, this is it. Look at that. Oh, there's a freaking carnival right there. That's some good shit. Ay, ang ganda ng view. Baka may nuno dito ah. This is a good freaking scenery. Damn. But it is so hot. Tabi-tabi riyan po. Tabi-tabi riyan po. So yeah, we are here. As you can see, there's a good scene there. There are the students. These are the CN2 students. All of these. This is my group in particular. We are here just under this beautiful tree, and this is Dan. And yeah, that's just everything to say. I mean, this is a good place. This is a very beautiful, quiet, rural area in the Philippines. So yeah, this is the view in the back. As you can see right there, pretty good. The travel hour was roughly 1 hour and 48 minutes from USD to here. And there's just a lot of things to say. Just really can't say all of them. But the experience I felt climbing here was extravagant. And yeah, very good. Very good. Very good.
Dito sa unggoy, dito sa unggoy.
Alam ko na pangalan nito.
Ang galing, lumalapit sila.
Dali, paglaban natin sila.
Ah, lumayo.
Reklamo mo.
Klamo mo sa NSC yung sugatan ko.
Absolute, nananakit ng tao.
I'm exploring this community or whatever you call it. Woo! Let me pass! And gusto kong kumuha ng napagandang view. Ah, yeah.
Good sound effect.
So that is a creek. Mini creek? Doon no, pero kasama ka naman yun. Angel. Nick, tara, babain mo. Nick!
Uy, ang ganda nito, Gia, mo.
Napakaganda naman yun, Kuya Kim.
Uy, ba't wala naman tayo lagi bukuan na naman? Picturean mo naman ako. Saan? Marami.
Cherry!
Cherry.
Go, Cherry! Tara, Nick, sama tayo. Ang saya ng mga bata. Mas masaya bumaba dito. Go, Sherry! Ang cute. So there's a pit around here. It is very cute. I don't know if it's just nothing. Go do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Ay. They are coming, the gods of Carabao are coming.
Pwede pa isa?
Gano'n kasaya yan? Saya niya na. Oh! So yun yung cambio, ganun, clutch.
Saan clutch niyan?
And the virgin falling down, and one wrong step, we are going to die. We're going to freedom of expression. There's a wandering Carabao right there. It's very cute. This is a bit scary. What he's doing is pretty much scarier, or more scary. But dude, this dude is freaking side hunter. He's extreme. Look at him. Oh, damn. Look at that. So I don't know if I'm gonna follow that, but I won't. I'd rather not. Nick, hindi na ako susunod dyan, ha? Masyado ka na malalim. Damn. He is so extreme that he doesn't know what he's doing. Nick, tingin ka sa camera! Nick! Yan! Idol!
The water is so good. It is a bit warm, but it is average. And yeah, that's so good to swim here.
And here is our adventure man, Mr. American. Americorn Extreme. Their mini store right here, and it's pretty cute, sizable. It's a real though. Ako rin eh.
Ang pangalan mo?
Dalawa muna. Yeah. 11 p.m. still pretty much not doing anything. I don't know what's their plan. I did not really read the schedule list, but
Si Sir ata. Ano doon na si
Yeah.
Sir?
not my hair. It's kind of cute.
Andon.
So basically, they are teaching the kids here, grade 1 to grade 5, I guess, lessons or 4. Not sure, but yeah, that's what they're doing. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, 5 minutes have passed, still nothing. I mean, we're just sitting here. All of our group mates are right there. As you can see, that fuck me. Where the oh, there we go. So yeah, they're right there, and we are here with Nikolai or Mr. Subway, as you all know. And yeah, we're just chilling here. Still hot, even though we're chilling, but yeah. The sunshine is getting stronger and stronger every minute or so, but yeah, it's pretty much good. I don't know what's gonna happen for the next few hours, but I am hungry as a lion, and I will eat something just to feed my hungry tummy. We are going somewhere far away. Right there. Damn, this is so hard. Kaya ate alam, kaya pala po unti-unti nawawala. Gangster tayo, may sarili tayo mag-live. Init oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this. This is a wild goose. Oh, the mother goose. Oh shit. He's mad. Hello? Ano yan? That is so cute. Classroom here, and it's pretty cute. Bumukala lupa pagtatayo ng greenhouse. Okay lang yan, nagawa tayo video. Yan kami. So, daligan sila tatanggalin ang hindi narog na lupa. Siguro pagpagod ka na, sub sa namin, pagod na kami. Mapagod po ako. Umuwi kami doon. Konti na lang. Konti na. So just had our lunch, and I'm approaching this dude right here, Mr. Subway. He's just chilling with the pond beside him. Yeah, why are you so lonely? Tilapia. Diyan?
Ayun na, maliliit pa.
Oo nga, no?
Damn.
Damn, son.
May nahulog na ba dito?
Damn, son. Pengi nga ako. Pengi.
Di pa mo ang isda.
Pero ko talaga ito rin na tuna fish eh, no? Ayan, di ba?
Nandito na. Sumasabog eh.
Masarap. So, isang maling galaw ko lang.
Sarap.
Doon na ako diretso. Pero ayos lang.
Basta malaki.
Footage.
Tikman nyo ya.
Footage.
Do it for the vlog.
An awesome vlog. Sa akin kaso. Busog na ako eh.
Kaya sa isda.
Bato mo dyan. Nalaglag kaya. Uy, hindi ako kumakain. Wow na kasi kami, no?
Nawala na naman si Sir. Mamaya may susulan na naman.
Literal na
Umalis na
yung
siya.
talaga tayo.
Yeah, boys. Solo trip. Yeah, tingnan mo yung kita ko. Yan yung view ko. Dito na lang. So hot. And the inside is just pretty easy. Just a little chilling hut. And yeah, we're gonna continue to work because we're done having a break or taking a break, whatever you wanna portray your words, but using that or any of those. And yeah, we're just three of us. Just kidding, they are there. We're good. Yeah, we're done doing this, and we are invited to go to the bus back and probably go home, hopefully, because I need to do a lot of things. But, yeah, that's my group right there. You can see them, but yeah, it's there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Wako, sabay. Matami, hindi ko
Yeah, boys.
Hoy! Uy, hug nyo! Jump shot!
Tama. It's almost over, and yeah, we are chilling in a store right here because we're just drinking, refreshing ourselves, and doing, I don't know, just a little bit of stuff. Drinking RC, our food is here, and yeah, I guess it's the end is near with that dog on that dog. That's a cute little twinkle. So we're going back to the bus, walking to there, just reversing what we did earlier, and yeah, it's just getting over. So yeah, we're going home.
Magpakasarap at magkakayawanan.
And
Mga
if you
kayamanan,
made it this
nakala
far,
ko'y walang
thank you for
hangganan.
watching.
Darating yung panahon niya yung iwan.
And that was the best experience that I could
Bitin ka ba?
Yeah, that's it.
Aming nagpapanggap na makabayan gamit ang salitang kalayaan. Ang demokrasya at kalayaan ay nakasalat.
Welcome KJ! Alam mo, ito yung moment mo.
I place the day that I